Hi there, Dirk from My Pool Inspector. Dealing with boundary fences under the 2012 standard, there's a few fundamental things you need to know. Under this standard, we do not care whatsoever about what happens on your neighbour's side. It could be a climbing wall for all intents and purposes. Not safe, but it complies. We're only dealing with what happens on your side of the fence. Number one, every boundary barrier must be a minimum of 1800 mil high, regardless of what it's made of. Number two, you've got to have what's called a non-climb zone 5 or NCZ5 on the inside of the barrier. NCZ5 is a 900 mil area, a radius from horizontal right down to the fence line, where you can't have anything climbable in that area. So in this example here, we've got these railings and the post. This is very typical of boundary fences. So what you're going to need to do, you're going to have to somehow shield these rails. So you could either put another row of palings on the inside. More often than not, you'll find that people choose to put wedges, 60-degree wedges in it. It's sort of an aftermarket piece of wood that you can mount on the top of these rails that deem them non-climbable. This is also going to have to be cut back to 60 degrees, these posts. Probably the biggest bone of contention though is around trees and the treatment of trees and vines and things that grow over time under the standard. That's a completely different video. So hunt around on through our videos and try and find something on trees and what's deemed climbable and not climbable. But as always, if you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to give us a call, 9515 0575. We'd love to chat and try and work out a suitable solution for your pool.